Now that you know where your data resides, it's time to use it. Empower your entire organization with self-service data access. In this video, we will learn about Velotix's self-service data access solution. Our use case is a data analyst who needs to access a specific set of customer retention data in order to complete a project. Here's how she gets it. Your data access request begins by creating a project, which will become the container of all of the data that is needed for the specific use case and analysis. Go to the Projects tab and click Add. Choose a name, description, and add a business justification. You have the option to add an expiration date to the project, meaning once the date is passed, access to the requested data will automatically be revoked. After clicking Save, add the tables that you'd like to request. Thanks to the discovery process, your data was classified and auto-tagged and is now searchable, meaning you can easily locate the data you need. Search for your table, use the preview to ensure that it is the correct table, and then click Select. Once all of the relevant tables have been added, request access to your selected tables by clicking the Request Access button. Anyone in the organization who needs access can request it, not just the person who created the project. The workflow is automatically selected. A workflow is the way your organization defines the process of approving access to data. A typical workflow includes a consumer filling a form to request access, an evaluation of the policy by our patented AI engine, and a step for the approver to review the suggested policy-based access control. The workflow is entirely configurable to fit the needs of your organization. Next, choose if you want individual access or access for multiple users. The multiple users option enables you to select other members of your team who also need access. Now, click Send Request. Input a brief description for the purpose of your request and indicate whether you intend to share the data. The request will be automatically routed to the data approver. The Velotix AI engine provides the data owner with all of the anonymization techniques that are needed to approve the data request according to the internal and external regulations and the attribute that the user has according to the user Active Directory. Anonymization includes row and column level masking, partial masking, hashing, and encryption. The approver will have one screen to see all the different anonymization that is needed to approve data access. If you'd like to change certain privacy controls, you can do that by clicking the drop-down menu in the Action column and selecting your preferred anonymization method. Our AI engine learns from these changes or exceptions and will apply the knowledge for the next data request. Click the Finish button to approve the access request. Once the request is approved, a preview link is sent to the requester. Click Preview to see an example of what resides in the table and how the data is actually masked. This is just a visualization and cannot be exported. Velotix provisions secure data access back to your database or your BI tool. With Velotix, you gain full control and transparency, allowing you to accelerate your data-driven decision-making.